Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're unleashing one of the most ferocious beasts on four wheels in the 2025 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat. Backed by popular demand, this supercharged family hauler combines muscle car power with SUV practicality, and in this video, we're diving deep into every detail. Body panels. The 2025 Durango SRT Hellcat continues to wear its aggressive styling with pride. Sculpted body panels with muscular haunches give the SUV a wide, commanding presence. The hood features a functional center air intake and dual heat extractors, not just for looks but to channel cool air in and hot air out, improving performance under pressure. The flared wheel arches and wide stance scream capability and dominance on the road. Headlights. Up front, you'll find sharp LED headlights with Dodge's signature LED daytime running lights forming a fierce brow. These lights are not only modern and stylish, but they also deliver outstanding illumination in low light conditions, improving visibility and safety for both the driver and others on the road. Taillights. In the rear, the Durango sports Dodge's iconic racetrack-style LED taillight design. The wide, continuous light bar spans across the rear hatch, offering a distinctive look that sets it apart especially at night. It's functional, too, enhancing rear visibility and increasing safety during braking. Grille. The front grille is large, blacked out, and undeniably aggressive. With mesh inserts and SRT badging, it provides optimal airflow to the engine and intercoolers. It's flanked by lower air dams that serve both aerodynamic and cooling functions. Overall, the grille gives the Durango SRT Hellcat a bold first impression that signals this isn't your average SUV. Seats. Inside, you're greeted with race-inspired luxury. The seats are leather and suede trimmed with contrast stitching and SRT logos embossed into the backrests. The front seats are heated and ventilated, and they're bolstered for spirited driving, holding you firmly in place whether you're hitting the drag strip or carving up a canyon. In the second row, captain's chairs come standard for added comfort, and there's even a third row, proving this beast still knows how to do family duty. Dashboard. The dashboard is designed with both performance and function in mind. A 10.1-inch touchscreen sits at the center, slightly canted toward the driver for easy access. Carbon fiber trim accents and red stitching give the interior a sporty feel, while soft touch materials remind you this is still a premium vehicle. Everything is where it should be, making it easy to focus on the drive. Infotainment system. The latest Uconnect 5 system powers the infotainment, offering lightning-fast responses, crisp graphics, and an intuitive layout. You'll get wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and multiple user profiles. The system also integrates SRT performance pages, which display real-time stats like G-force, lap timers, and engine performance, perfect for drivers who want to monitor how this Hellcat performs in action. Steering wheel. The flat-bottom, leather-wrapped steering wheel is thick, grippy, and loaded with controls. It features paddle shifters for manual gear changes, an SRT button to quickly access performance settings, and heating for colder climates. It's a driver's wheel designed for precision and confidence. Engine. Under the hood, this beast roars with a 6.2-liter supercharged HEMI V8 engine pumping out 710 horsepower and 645 pounds-feet of torque. That's enough to rocket this three-row SUV from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. Mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, the power delivery is smooth yet brutal when you hit the throttle. Dodge also includes launch control and performance tuning modes for street, sport, track, and even towing. Hybrid option. There's no hybrid option in the SRT Hellcat Truma, and frankly, that's by design. Dodge made this SUV for pure performance, and while other trims in the Durango lineup might eventually get electrified powertrains, this one proudly sticks to old-school, supercharged muscle. Airbags. Safety isn't sacrificed for speed. The Durango SRT Hellcat includes advanced multi-stage front airbags, side curtain airbags for all 3 rows, and front seat-mounted side airbags. Combined with a reinforced safety cage, this setup ensures comprehensive protection in the event of a collision. Parking assist. Despite its performance focus, the Durango SRT Hellcat is still practical. Standard parking sensors in the front and rear, a high-resolution rear-view camera, and available 360-degree surround view system make parking and maneuvering in tight spots easier than you'd expect for a vehicle of this size. It also includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and blind spot monitoring to help drivers stay safe on the road. Price. Now let's talk about cost. The 2025 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat starts around $94,000, depending on options. It's not cheap, but you're getting an SUV that can outrun sports cars while hauling the kids and towing over 8,000 pounds. For performance lovers who need versatility, it's hard to match this value. And that wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat, a family hauler with the heart of a muscle car. Whether you crave power, utility, or the thrill of pressing the gas pedal and hearing that supercharger whine, this SUV delivers in every category. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more in-depth car reviews, and drop a comment below. Would you pick the SRT Hellcat over its luxury or EV rivals? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.